So looking at our priorities for growth plans in Europe, there are many opportunities in the European market, notwithstanding relatively low economic growth. And those priorities are really focused around the opportunities of convergence. We see very significant growth in e-commerce across the European market. E-commerce is a key driver for digital media. So really we're very focused on digitizing our solutions for our clients across the European area. We see significant growth in digital at the moment. It's growing at 3 times the rate of normal advertising growth, and within that, social, mobile, video are really growing very significantly and creating huge amounts of data. So we're focused on those areas because we think there's significant added value for clients in becoming more digitally centric, and also there's the infrastructure in Europe to really be able to leverage e-commerce and create real growth opportunities for our clients. I think one of the key aspects of the merger of Dentsu Aegis was the bringing together of very strong complementary geographies and capability. So Aegis had strong capabilities in media and in digital with a very strong heartland in Europe, and Dentsu came in with huge advertising assets in Japan, a very strong base in Asia in particular, and in combination we now have a very strong business in the Americas as well. So a very good geographical split, but also a very strong focus on advertising, media and digital. 42% of our revenue is now derived from digital, and digital is growing at a much faster rate. It's 3-fold the rate of advertising in general, and that is where the real opportunities are for clients. So we're focused in particular on creating more capability where the market will be, not where the market was before, and we think that's a huge advantage that we have relative to our competitors. Yeah, I mean, at the moment the ad spend forecasts that Karen have issued today show that global advertising is going to grow at 5%, but within that digital is growing at 16%, so more than 3 times the rate of growth of advertising overall, and within that social, mobile and video are growing many-fold faster. And the way we're preparing for that is making sure we have the right capability where the market will be, not where the market was before. And a very strong focus on our digital networks like iSabar and iProspect are really helping drive our business, but also making sure our media brands like Cara and Visium have a very strong digital heart, and our creative networks like Dentsu and like iSabar and McGowie Bowen and 360i also have a strong digital heart. So that's the key element that is where the growth is. And organisationally and operationally, we have a unique operating model where all our businesses in each country work as one P&L together, which means we can deliver that seamless integration that's so critical to getting the advantage of a convergent digital ecosystem for the benefit of our clients. So in terms of the opportunity of programmatic and the development of programmatic, it is a very important and beneficial development within our advertising industry. The reality is, in the digital environment, there is an oversupply of advertising space and websites and content. And to navigate that huge plethora of content can't be done by people anymore. If you want to triage 10,000 websites, people can't do it. You need a system that will do it. And there is a very significant amount of investment going into creating demand-side platforms around trading desks that will really leverage the advantage and get much more targeted and addressable solutions that are much more cost-effective and will deliver much better returns for clients. So programmatic is a good development. It does require significant investment at the moment, and we ourselves are investing in building a programmatic capability, which we now have operational in nearly 20 markets around the world. But I see the development of programmatic entirely positive, and I see it moving beyond just digital media into traditional media like out of home and television in due course.